back in beautiful Shenzhen, China, and today we're unboxing this little thing right here, which comes from Shenzhen. It's Ravpower's wireless router and power bank. It's supposed to be perfect for places like this, a hotel room where you have Wi-Fi here, but not necessarily that good of Wi-Fi, so I'm gonna actually plug it into the Ethernet and see if I can use this to power all of my, or to get Wi-Fi on all of my devices inside the hotel room without using their Wi-Fi, only using their wired connection. So let's get to unboxing and let's try it out. Okay, so here it is. Sorry, the lighting in here, I'm using the outdoor light, but Ravpower, nice little box. Let's get it open. First things first, as usual, warranty card. Instruction book, we'll probably need this. And then we've got our little Wi-Fi router. So one side we've got a SD card reader, SD to USB, 2.4 gig or 5 gig. And then on the side here, can you see that? There we go. We've got a regular USB port, a Ethernet port, and then a micro USB charging cable. And in the box comes a USB charging cable. So let's plug this in and see if we can get up and running. Back. Gotta get my laptop out for this. I think I'm gonna open the manual up here, but I think I have to log in and then connect it to the Wi-Fi. Okay, so this is nuts. I turned this thing on, plugged it into the Ethernet right here, went onto the browser on my computer, one click on the screen, the Hilton screen, it connected, and now I'm connected to the internet, and I have 15 megabits upload and download, which is super impressive. I'm gonna play around with it a little bit more and get back to you guys. Alrighty, so here it is. We're plugged in to the Ethernet. I changed the SSID to Pretty Fly for a Wi-Fi. New password in it. I'm logged in here. Let's take a look if I can show you guys. There it is. And if I go up here, you can see my speed tests. We're basically as fast as it'll go here at the hotel internet. Also, once you're logged in, the cool thing is if I go back to the Filehub, well, there's no storage in it right now, but let's try to plug something into it real quick. Okay. I have micro SD card with an adapter. Gonna put it in right here. Plugged in. Let's see what happens if I refresh. SD card has been inserted. Sweet. And here we go. I can upload and download things directly to here. Now in terms of UI, it's not that great, but in terms of function, it's amazing. What I can do with this is that anytime I just want to move files and stuff like that, I can just put it on into the SD card here, move it to my computer and not. But the most important thing is that I have a Wi-Fi router with the same username and password wherever I go, and all I have to do is plug straight into the Ethernet port. Totally worth the $50 that it sells for online. I'll put a link down below. If you have any other uses for it, let me know, and enjoy it. See you next time.